सुसेगाद दंपार पळोवणाऱ्यांक म्हजो मायमोगाचो नमस्कार. हांव फ्रँकी फर्नांडीस, मेलबर्न, ऑस्ट्रेलियाचो तुमकां ह्यो गोंयच्यो खबरो कोंकणींतल्यान पावयतां. आज एप्रिलाची 5 तारीख. सुरवातेक खबर ओल्ड गोवा हांगासान. गेल्ल्या सुमारांत आमी पयले कशे तरेन गोंयकारांनी हांगा हेरिटेज जाग्यार जे बेकायद्याची हेरिटेज इंटरप्रिटेशन सेंटर हाचें काम चालू आसलेलें तें बंद केलें तें. आतां गांवच्या लोकांनी अनेक फावट गोंयच्या सरकाराक शिटकावणी दिल्या की जाता तितले बेगीन ओल्ड गोवा मास्टर प्लॅन तयार करचो म्हूण.
Everybody's eyes are on Old Goa. I don't know, they feel that it's a piece of cake to be shared by each and everyone. It is a heritage site. Old Goa is, it's one of the we have the famous churches over there. We have St. Francis Xavier over here. And recently we had the expedition. So with all these taking into consideration, especially the government, they feel that this is a piece of cake which everybody wants to share it. Okay, so everyone's eyes are on Old Goa. Over here, the interpretation center is supposed to come. But why do we require it over here? They say that it is for parking, it is close to the churches. For all these things, if there is no master plan is there, we will not. All these things will keep on coming. So if there is a master plan, the area will be marked and we will come to on these protected areas, nobody will venture. So I would request the public also pressurize the government. This is the right time now to give us a master plan. We are fighting it for the past couple of years, maybe 10 years, about more than 10 years. So we require a master plan for it. If that is not there, Goa will be destroyed and Old Goa will be destroyed.
Old Goa has been given the World Heritage tag. UNESCO tag is there. Now, there are a lot of, after the ancient Portuguese have moved out from here, there are a lot of things that are happening. People are trying to come inside and destroy. And when this destruction is taking place, the heritage has been destroyed. And which we are afraid that the tag that we have will go. The importance of this place will go. Yes. Because older time, this was one of the world known cities, the 8 most famous cities of the world at that time. And that is why we have a lot of heritage. Right now, the government putting certain things is trying to bring some things that are illegal, that is not wanted. By getting these things, they are trying to destroy the land, they are trying to make money out of this place, and a lot of illegalities are going on. And because of that, we are asking a master plan for this place. With the master plan, everything will be put in place. Which heritage site, what is the buffer zone, what is the area, which area can be developed, all these things will come in that. With that, everything will be saved. It will be saved for posterity, for Goans, for Indians, and for the people world over. This world heritage has to be saved. The message to everybody, whoever comes here, come, enjoy, and have a good feel about Goa, and let not people come here and capture areas for investment and for settlement and destroy to the help of the government.
दुसरी खबर, दक्षिण गोंयचो खासदार कॅप्टन विराटो फर्नांडीस हाणें गोंयचे दायज, गोंयचे त्रियात हाका युनेस्को कल्चरल आनी हेरिटेज इन्स्क्रिप्शन फावो जावचें म्हूण लोकसभान मागणी केली.
Today I rise to bring before the notice of the House a unique and historical significant form of theatre called theatre, which is a concrete theatre existing in Goa for 133 years. Now, theatre remains the only popular theatre form in Asia that is truly democratic, secular, community-oriented and independent of elite and feudal influences. I request the Ministry of Culture, Government of India to take immediate steps to initiate and support the process of seeking UNESCO intangible cultural heritage inscription for theatre. I would like to place a few demands before the Ministry of Culture. First, recognize theatre as a nationally important cultural tradition and take all necessary measures to ensure its promotion, conservation and documentation. Establish a task force committee under the Ministry of Culture in collaboration with the Government of Goa and representatives from the theatre community to facilitate the process of UNESCO inscription. Third, encourage national and international research, academic collaboration and digital archiving of theatre performances to preserve its historical, artistic and...
आमचो दक्षिण गोंयचो खासदार भोवमानेस्त विर्यादबाब फेर्नांदीसान पार्लमेंटान तियात्राचो विशय मांडला. तियात्राक युनेस्कोची मान्यताय मेळोवन घेवंक सरकारान उपाय सोदून काडूंक जाय म्हूण ताणें मागणी केल्या. पयले सुवातेर सगळ्या तियात्रिस्तांच्या नांवान सगळ्या तियात्रान संशोधन वो रिसर्च करतल्यांच्या नांवान तियात्र विशयाचेर अभ्यास करतल्यांच्या नांवान आमी विर्याटो बाबाक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. कित्याक गोंयचें पारंपरीक दायज जाका 132 वर्सांचो अनुभव पिराय आसा, 103 वर्सांचें आवक आसा, ह्या विशयाक ताणें आपलो सांगात दिला, आपलो ताळो दिला. खरेंच तियात्राचेर जायतेंच संशोधन जावपाक जाय, रिसर्च जावपाक जाय, तियात्राचेर अभ्यास जावपाक जाय आनी हो करपाक विर्याटो बाबान एक टास्क फोर्स करची म्हूण मागणी केल्या. टास्क फोर्स गरजेची, पूण ह्या टास्क फोर्सान कोणें आसपाक जाय? ह्या टास्क फोर्सान तियात्राचेर अभ्यास करपी पयले सुवातेर कांय जाणांनी तियात्राचेर PhD केल्या, त्या मनशांचो आस्पाव आसपा जाय. तियात्राचेर एकाडेमीक वावर करता ते मनीस आसूंक जाय आनी उपकार करून राजकीय मनशांक ह्या टास्क फोर्सांतले भायर दवरचे, कित्याक तियात्राच्या नांवान राजकारण जालेलें आमकां नाका. परत एकदां हो बरो विशय पार्लमेंटान मांडून हाडला म्हणून आमी विर्याद बाबाचे उपकारी, आमी आभारी. गोंयचे ट्रस्ट पयलेच फावटी पार्लमेंटान आयकोंक आयल्यात. आमकां आयज गौरव भोगता विर्याद बाबा सारको आमकां पोरजेचो फुडारी मेळ्ळा म्हूण. म्हाका जाल्यार गौरव भोगता, कित्याक इतलो बरो मनीस आनी गोंयचे ट्रस्ट पार्लमेंटान उबारपी म्हजो प्रतिनिधी कसो लोकसभेंत आसा म्हणून. शाब्बास विर्याद बाब, तुजे सारक्याची पिळगा वाडत वचूं.
सुकूर, गिरी आनी सांगोळडा हांगाच्या शेतांनी सुमार 51 बेकायद्याची बांदलेल्यो इमारत्यो हाका गोंयच्या सरकाराक 3 म्हयन्यां भितर रिस्टोर करचे म्हूण गोवा बेंच ऑफ द बॉम्बे हायकोर्ट हाणें आदेश दिला. हे बाबतींत आमकां आवेर्तिनो मिरांडा आनी म्हायती दिता.
Over the last 7 to 8 years, we have been compiling information pertaining to filling of low-lying paddy fields. If you see from the stretch from Porvorim, when you go down from Sukur, Giri, then Sangolda, there has been massive filling up of paddy fields. And the destruction of this very important eco-sensitive agricultural lands. You know, we had a lot of problems that during the COVID time there was no agriculture produce available. And a lot of commercial establishments have come illegally, filling up these lands, constructing concrete structures, and the paddy fields have been completely destroyed. Because of this reason, we filed a PIL in the High Court, Bombay at Goa, requesting the court to initiate demand that action be taken against those who have filled up the paddy fields. There were in all 51 structures. We have taken 3 villages of Sukur, Giri and Sangola, 51 structures. And the government has been avoiding the demolition of these structures and restoring this land to the original state. We want the paddy fields to be restored back to their original state. So this petition has been pending for a quite long time. Even after the 2021 order of the High Court, the government refused to take action. So therefore, we had to go again to the High Court last year in August and ask for the execution of its order, wherein 51 structures in these paddy fields had to be removed and the land had to be restored to the original state. Just 2 days back, the High Court was pleased to give us relief in the form of ordering the government to immediately remove these structures and restore the land to the original state in the next 90 days, that is 3 months. A failing which the government said, the court said it will take a very serious view. It will initiate contempt of court proceedings in any event of any disobedience of its order. We hope that now better sense prevails upon the government and we save these fields which have been destroyed. It's not only happening in these 3 villages, but also many parts of Goa. I hope people will come forward now and initiate steps to restore our original, our heritage, our eco-sensitive agricultural lands.
फुडल्या सुमारांत एप्रिलाचे 7 तारखेक गोंयांत स्कूलाचे नवे एकाडेमीक वर्स सुरू जाता. स्कूलाच्या भुरग्यांनी तशेंच तांच्या आवय बापायन आनी टिचरांनी हाचो विरोध केला. गेल्ल्या सुमारांत दक्षिण गोंयचो खासदार कॅप्टन विराटो फर्नांडीस हाणें गोंयच्या लोकांचो आवाज दिल्लीचे केंद्र मंत्री हांकां बी दिलो. हे बाबतींत आमकां सेसिल रॉड्रिगीज आनी सांगता.
Everyone for coming in and raising the concerns for the people of Goa. कित्याक आमी पळयता की आमचो सरकार जो इलेक्टेड हा लोकां खातीर आमचे कांय आयकना, तेका लागून this public meeting is very important. And if you can see, children have spoken their heart out, writing their own poem because they are feeling the heat that they want the summer vacation. Teka lagun, as Captain Viriato has come in and he's already taking up the issues of NEP in the Lok Sabha. So for here right now, we are requesting him, saying that we do not want schools in April. And the reason why is because it's going to be very hot and our schools in Goa, that is the government as well as the government aided schools, are not having proper infrastructure. The main concern is infrastructure. We are standing here, it's around 6 in the evening and we are gaman bolla. So can you imagine the little children, 11 years old, who are called to school at around 8, some of them are called 7:30 in the morning till 11 in the night. And many children will be walking home in the villages. They don't have parents coming to pick them up, so they are walking. So is CM, that is Dr. Pramod Sawant, going to take responsibility if any child dies in the summer vacation, summer schools, that is in the month of April? Will he take that responsibility? And I am warning Dr. Pramod Sawant for one thing: if any child gets affected due to the summer heat, he is going to be held responsible and we will take him to court and we will make sure that he has to resign and be out of the chair. Because his responsibility as the Chief Minister to take care of the people, to listen to the people, and he's got the name Dr. Pramod Sawant before this. He's such a heartless person that he's not listening to the stakeholders. That is the parents, principals, the teachers, we've all objected. Why there is so much of adamant nature of his to impose the 7th April schools, in spite of we all enjoying summer vacations of April and May. So we are not going to stop here. As you know that we have the holidays till Monday. On Tuesday again we are going to challenge the notification that is put forward by the government, because that's that much of liberty the judge of the High Court has given us, that if we are not happy with the notification, we can challenge it. And we are going to challenge it because we parents have the right to challenge it, and we will not keep quiet and we will fight till the end. The main thing is it's just been dismissed a little, but if you read the High Court order, right down at the bottom it is mentioned that in case if the people who have the writ petitioners are unhappy with the notification, the new notification that is put forward, then we have the full right to do an objection and go back again to court and fight. And we are not going to stop there. As much as Pramod Sawant can blackmail the rest of his departments and whatever school heads he can think, but he can't blackmail the parents. We are going to stand by our children, and we are not talking only about the children in the cities, but the children in the villages. They are the most affected of all, and we are not going to keep quiet, because this is Tanashahi, dictatorship, and we do not want dictatorship. We want our democracy, and it's our freedom of speech to express ourselves. We'll come to know exactly what will happen on Tuesday when we go to court. So from there, our next course of action will be if in case 7 still continues, we will do exactly what Captain Vendi said, because like-minded people have come together today. And if that's a suggestion, we'll take that forward. We will directly go ahead, hold placards, parents will stand outside and hold that this is not right and no schools in April. We will do whatever we can. We're not going to kick for it.
एप्रिलाचे 7 तारखेक जावन आसा बागुन सान फ्रांसीस शावेर हाचो जल्माचो दीस. ह्या दिसाक बोरीची सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियर इगोर्ज हांगा बागुन सान फ्रांसीस शावेर हाच्या जिविता वयर एक आर्ट एक्झिबिशन घडोवन हाडला. फादर विक्टर फेरॉन आमकां आनी म्हायती दिता.
ह्या वर्साक आमी जुबली वर्सान आसा आनी जुबली वर्सान आसतना आर्टिस्टांची जुबली करूंक आमी येवजिले. बागुन फ्रांसीस शावेराचो वाडदीस बर्थडे येता 7 तारखेक एप्रिलाची आनी ह्या 7 तारखेक ताचो बर्थडेचो सुवाळो करूंक समारोह करपाक आमी गोंयच्या आर्टिस्टां बरोबर एक सान फ्रांसिस्काचे आर्ट एक्झिबिशन करपाक थारायला. पॅरिश काउन्सिल, पॅरिशनर्स आनी सगळीं बरेचशीं भाव भयणां आमी सगळीं भावुरता हें आर्ट एक्झिबिशन आमच्या फिरगोजेन करूं. तें आमी 7 तारखेक 4:30 वरांचेर ताचें उक्तावण इनॉग्रेशन करतले आनी तें जाल्या उपरांत त्या दिसाक जायतो समारोह आसा. आमचे सुमार 30 आर्टिस्ट भाग घेतात. तांतले 20 स्पेशलिस्ट प्रोफेशनल आर्टिस्ट आनीक 13 आमची बडिंग आर्टिस्ट भुरगीं. जांकां सांगाता घेवन आमी तांकांय एक दिशा फुडें व्हरोंक सोदता. आमच्या ह्या आर्ट एक्झिबिशनाचो हेतू विशय असो आसा, गोंयचो सायब गोंयच्या आकारान, गोंयच्या सायबाक गोंयचो आकार दिवन. आमच्या उतरांनी आमी वावली, ताका आमी गोंयचो सायब म्हणलो. गोंयच्या सायबाक आमी गितांनी उचारलो, गायले. साहित्य शेकड्या पोटी तो आमच्या मदें आसा आनी आमचो संबंद ताचे कडेन साबार इंटिमेटली खास करून आसा. दर्यांत वेतलो मनीस आपल्या नुस्तें मारून बोटयेर बरयता सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियर. आमच्या गोंयच्या सायबा कडेन खास संबंद आसा. आमचे जायते भाव भयणां दर्यांत नुस्तें मारूंक वेतात, तांचे बोटयेर आमी पळयल्यार सेंट फ्रांसीस अशें बरयल्लें मेळटा. बसीर पळयल्यार सेंट फ्रांसीस, इस्कॉलान पळयल्यार झेवियर स्कूल. अशें सान फ्रांसीस साबार तरांनी आमच्या जिवितांत मिसळ जाल्लो आसा. कोण दुयेंत जालो जाल्यार बागुन फ्रांसीस शावेराक म्हजो हात दुखलो, हात मोडलो जाल्यार मेणाचो हात ताच्या नवेनांत दिता. हांवें भुरगेपणांत हें पळयलां, पण भुरगें जाय तें धाकटुले मेणाचे भुरगें बागुन फ्रांसीस शावेराक दिता. हो संबंद जो आहा तो गोळटलो दिसाच्या दिसाक, घोडेचे घोडेक कोश्टांत कुशालकायेन गोंयचे सायब आमचे मदें आमच्या जिवितांत आसा. आतां ताका उतरांनी आमी दाखयलो, गितांनी दाखयलो, आतां चित्रांनी पेंटींग करून दाखोवपाचें मन जालें. आनी ह्या खातीर गोंयचो सायब गोंयच्या आकारान हें आमचें एक्सप्रेशन जें आमी कोत्ता ताचें सगळें इंटिमेटली कोत्ता तें भायर दाखोवचें, चित्रांनी उजवाडीत जावचें, ह्यो हेतू धरून तो आमी त्या दिसाक येवजून हें एक्झिबिशन केलें. आमचे मदें आमचे पॅरिश काउन्सिलाचे मॉडरेटर एल्सा फेर्नांडीस आसा. आमचे मदें आमचो इश्ट आर्टिस्ट रेमंड पेरेरा, जो क्युरेटर ऑफ दिस एक्झिबिशन, आनी हें सगळें करपाक आमचे बरोबर तो आसा. ती आमकां ह्या घडणे विशीं थोडें कितें तरी सांगतली. आमी जायते पळयता, जायते लोकांक आमच्या एक्झिबिशनाचो इंट्रस्ट आसा आनी जायतीं जाणां खुशाल जाल्यात. जायत्यांनी आदार केला धर्मांचो आनी दुसरो उत्तेजन दिवन बरेपण वाडोवन तांकां सगळ्यांक सांगाता घेता. आनीक उरलोलें कितें आसा तें आमची भयण एल्सा आमकां सांगतली आनीक आमचो भाव रेमन तें मुखार सोंपयता.
हे एक्झिबिशन करपाक आमी 20 आर्टिस्टांक चूज केल्ले जे गोंयांत बरे नामाचे आसले आनी तितून मध्ये भुरगीं जी बोरे गांवचे सायडीची गांव आहा तेंचे शिरोडा, पंचवडी, राया, लोतोली हांकां घेवन हांवें सगळ्यांक एक ओरिएंटेशन केलें जे आमची थीम आहा एक्झिबिशनाची गोंय सोसायटी गोंयच्या आकारान. सो ते कितकोन हे आर्टिस्टांनी गोंय साहेबाचेर एक पेंटिंग करप जे आमी म्हणटाय तो आमकां मिशनरी देवाचें उतर घेवन येयलो. सो हे आमी आमच्या मनाक कितकोन लागतले आमगे एक्सप्रेशन कितकोन जातलें पेंटिंगांतल्यान. सो हे सगळें करपाक तांकां ओरिएंटेशन दिलें आनी तेणी स्केच धाडले मागीर डिस्कशन केलें आनी हे सगळें करून हे सगळे भुरग्यांनी आनी आर्टिस्टांनी एक सारकी बेस्ट पेंटिंग्स केले. सो हांव मागतां जे आमचे लोक आहा गोंयान आनी गोंया भायर तेमी आमच्या सोशल मिडिया चॅनलाचेर वेबसायटीचेर आनी फेसबुकाचेर आमी जे पोस्ट घालतात ते पळोवन एक्झिबिशनाक भुरग्यांक आनी आर्टिस्टांक एनकरेज करून.
आमचे फिरगोचेर आमी पयलीच फावट सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियराची बर्थडे करता आनी हे सुवाळ्याक सकाळी फुडें आमचे मीस 7 आनी 4:30 7 एप्रील आमचे एक्झिबिशन करता. एक्झिबिशनाक आख्खे गोंयभर आर्टिस्ट आमी वेंचून काडल्यात चडशे व्हडले फायन आर्टिस्ट आनी तातूंत मदें धाकटी भुरगीं बीन करतात. आमचे एक्झिबिशनाक आमी जायतीं एक्सायटेड जालोलीं आसा. सगळी आख्खी PPC वावुरता, आमची पॅरिश यूथ वावुरता, तशेंच आमची पॅरिशनर्स आनी हें फळां बरीच जावन अर्था बरीच जावन आमी सगळीं हे दिसांनी आमी खुशाल बरीच जावन सांगाता मेळून हे एक्झिबिशनाक आमी सगळीं सांगात दिता.
My artistic journey has been deeply influenced by the Goan roots. My artwork is a blend of contemporary as well as traditional expression. I love to experiment with different mediums such as acrylics, outliners, sequences or glass colors to create a depth and a way of textures and a unique way of composition. And I love to use gold in my works. Every painting tells a story, so hope so my painting also tells something to you all and hope so it resonates with you all and see you all there at the exhibition.
For this exhibition, I have created a work with soft pastels depicting St. Francis Xavier's arrival to Goa in 1541. I wanted to make sure that this artwork felt immersive, allowing the viewer to step inside this moment in history while staying true to my expressive style. I'm truly honored to be part of this exhibition where art and history come together in such a meaningful way. Creating this artwork was a journey in itself and I can't wait to share it with you all at Goin Society गोंयच्या आकारान.
तर ह्यो जावन आसले आमच्यो कांय सुसेगाद दनपार गोंयच्यो खबरो मेलबर्न ऑस्ट्रेलियासान. मेळुया दुसऱ्या सुमारात ते मेरेन मोग आसूंदी.